Today we are going to see on how to implement a voice search feature with JavaScript. We will be using the Web Speech Browser API to recognize the text from voice. In this example we have implemented a feature where a new image is displayed whenever a new search is performed. To get the images from text we are using Unsplash API. Let's jump on how to implement this. First we need to initialize the speech recognition object and set the parameters as shown here. The searchImage method is called on click of the microphone icon, and the speech recognition is started by calling the method start. In the onResult method we get the converted text from the audio. Then we call the Unsplash API to get the image and populate it to the DOM. We stop the recording once the end user stops speaking. We identify this by using the onSpeechEnd method. If there are any errors we can handle them in the onError method. Hit a like if you like this and follow TechMadeec for more such videos.